Here one person was found running behind another person was trying to escape. Initially it was seen as if it is a case of assault or attack, and a lot of local people were also disturbed, and pedestrians particularly where they were literally taken by surprise. At the similar time, police personnel, 3-4 of them who were found near the place, they chased both of them and arrested both of them, secured both of them rather. It was realized that one person was a victim and another person was an accused. The victim is a migrant labor from Rajasthan. He was working here as a granite work related labor, and his mobile was snatched away by 2 persons, and he has seen a group of 3-4 people who are involved in the offense, and one person was caught red-handed right there. And without allowing any time to lapse, 2-3 of our 4 police personnel and 2-3 public, they gathered together and tried to arrest other person. They tried contacting that person through one of the accused, and they have arrested another person also. So Hemant Pujar and Shamant are the 2 individuals who have been arrested in this case, and one Varun, who is a ASI, works in our commissionerate office. He has shown a lot of bravery, and he chased him for quite a distance and arrested that person, secured that person. Later case was registered in South Police Station limits, and 2 of them have been arrested right now. Both of them belong to Mangalore city only. It is found in the interrogation that they may be involved in many more offences, and
Untuk, mulai main batu tu.